Hey everyone, what is up? It's Karina here, and today we're going to be taking off my entire face because I am done filming for the day. Done work. Look at this. This is the result of a day worth of filming. I typically have a full face of makeup on when I'm filming, but after everything's done, I just like to take it off, and nothing feels better than taking off my makeup at the end of the day. I actually took off my makeup once on my Insta stories, and I'll show it here, and so many of you were like, oh my god, like your skin is so amazing, can you please show me your nighttime routine, like what's your skincare routine? I personally don't think my skin is that amazing. I mean, it is what it is, but since so many of you have asked, I thought I would just sit down and show you what my skincare routine is for the night. So yeah, I hope I don't scare you guys too much after I remove my makeup, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first up, what I like to do is just to remove all my hair. I'm wearing so much hair extensions, you guys. See all this? Not my real hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. Whew, I look crazy. Okay, now that my hair extensions are out of the way, see, this is what I put in it every single time I film and I do my shoots. These, if you're interested, these are the Luxury for Princess hair extensions in hazel blonde. It's like this gorgeous mix of like brunette color and slightly lighter highlights in it. I love it so much. I wear it all the time. If you're interested in a tutorial on how I put these on, I will put a link in the description box down below. Now hair is out of the way. I'm gonna take off my accessories. Now I'm actually going to be removing my contact lenses. I'm wearing the one right now. It's by Symphony 3 Con Green, and I'm just removing them. On to makeup. So I'm just using the eye makeup remover that I always use. I ended up using this for my entire face just because it's so effective. This is the Clean and Clear Oil-Free Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. And as you can see, I've used a whole bunch of it. This is like my third or fourth bottle. I can't even remember. So just shake it. And I'm just using 2 cotton pads. I soak 2 at once, so it's more efficient. So I have 2 soaked ones, and I'm just going to put it right over my eyes. And because I'm wearing falsies, I want to soak it in for a super long time to like get the glue all like dissolve. You don't want to be going for with your eye area too much with the cotton pad, just because you don't want to like pull on it or like make it saggy even more. So my falsies are now off. You want to be careful not to like overly press on your eye area or like tug on the skin around it. I'm just going to go ahead with removing the rest of my face makeup with this Omoro Vita Facial Micellar Cleansing Wipes. This smells so good, and when you open it, it's kind of like already these like tiny cotton pads, and it's already soaked in the micellar solution, so you don't have to like soak it even more. And I usually just take 2 like this. They've got these type of like bumpy textures on one side, so it really helps to remove all that stubborn makeup. I don't know why, but it's super satisfying to me to remove my makeup, and it's also super satisfying to me to see all the gunk on here afterwards. And also, it's also super satisfying to me to watch other people on YouTube remove their makeup. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I just feel refreshed for them, you know? Gotta be careful around the nose, because I just got a nose job. Don't want to like put too much pressure on it yet. I basically just keep going with the micellar wipes until there's nothing left on these wipes, and then I'll go and wash my face. Okay, so now most of my makeup is gone. I'm just going to quickly go into the washroom and wash my face using my facial cleanser. So this is the one I'm actually using right now. This is the Bifesta Foam Whip. So what it does is just like comes out as foam. See? For show, I'm just gonna do it here, but in reality, I actually do it in the washroom because this is my bedroom and nobody washes their face in their bedroom. It's kind of like a mousse cleansing foam. Looks like shaving cream actually for your face. And I feel like this just gets all my remaining makeup and like gunk out of my face. Okay, so I'm back from the washroom. I just washed my face. I didn't bother filming it because it's literally just putting water on your face. like it's how you wash your face. It's probably how I wash my face. But yeah, so now I have nothing on my face. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see the state of my skin. This is real, no filter right here. So I wouldn't say that my skin is in the best state because I do have some breakouts at the moment. Like this one is a pimple that just healed, and there's a lot of like discoloration along here. It's not the worst it's ever been, but it's not the best either. So what I like to do first step is like take a cotton pad and go ahead with my toner. So this is the Ren Beauty AHA toner. So whenever you have the AHA ingredient in a toner, it means that it has some kind of like exfoliating properties to it. So this one is supposed to be skin resurfacing toner. It'll exfoliate and brighten your complexion. And as always, you want to make sure that you're pulling this on your skin in a super gentle way in an upwards motion, because you don't want to be pulling your skin down any more than gravity's already bringing it. So just do this. I really like this Ren skincare. I've been using it for a while now, and I find that it really helps to like control the oil on my face because I do have super oily skin. Okay, after the toner step, now it's time to move on to serum. So now I am using the Lancome Advanced Genifique for my eye area. This is what it looks like. Ever since I started using it a month ago, I've noticed significant differences to my under eye areas. So I highly recommend this to everyone, especially me. Like I have to put on like eye makeup all the time for filming. This really helps. It's so cooling on the skin, and it's just like the best serum there is. And then for the skin, I'm going with the Clarins Double Serum. This is actually my second bottle because the first bottle I completely finished the entire thing. Only been using this one for like 2 weeks and it's already this much. So yeah, I just do one pump is all you need. Every single time I use it, I wake up with like the smoothest, most bright skin ever. And then what I do is I just like press it in. And also like because it's got some like anti-aging properties to it, I need it because I'm like 30. I don't know if you guys can tell through my skin, but I am 30, and yeah, any sort of like anti-aging properties like is my best friend. Pressing it in with my hands because I don't want to like further tug or like rub on my skin as aggressively. So now that's done, I'm going to be moving on to the third and last step of my skincare regimen, and that is lotion or cream. So because I have really oily skin and it is the summer right now, I tend to go for like more lightweight gelish type creams. I'm just using the Kiehl's Calendula Water Cream. I've also tried the toner from here and it's like so good, so amazing. But this time I had a chance to try out the cream and I love it so much. So it looks like this. It kind of looks like a cream, but then when you take it out, it's more of like a gel consistency. Show it to you so you can see. See, it just like melts in your skin and it's more of that watery texture. And it smells really good. It smells super fresh. So I take a little bit. Again, pat it on my skin. Just pat lightly. So there you have it. And do not forget eye cream. I don't care how old you are. You can be 30, 40, in your 20s, but remember eye cream, because eye cream is so important. This is the Kors Wild Rose Eye Cream. Just take a little bit. Honestly, like this is how much I would take for both of my eyes. Warm it up between your hands. And pat it ever so slightly. I find that every time I don't use eye cream, or like if I like forget it, or if I'm too tired or too lazy and I just don't use eye cream the night before, when I wake up and I'm trying to do like my concealer under my eye, it goes on like chalkboard. Like it's not cool at all. So make sure you follow up with eye cream the night before, because then your makeup will go on so smoothly. Sometimes I like to follow up with an eye mask. So this is the Wonder Beauty eye mask. It's one of my favorite these days. It looks like this right out of the package. It is individually packaged, each pair of eye masks, and they're like gold eye masks. Like, just put them here. I like to use these masks after like a long day with my makeup caked onto my face, just because I feel like it's really soothing for the eyes, and it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, which I definitely need. I'm just gonna let it chill for about 10 minutes or so, and while that's chilling there, I'm gonna follow up with the last step of my skincare regimen, and that is collagen drops. So this is the collagen drops that I'm using. It's by Rodeo, I don't really know how you say it. 30% collagen complex. So collagen is a protein that we naturally produce in our own bodies, and that's the thing that helps keep skin really youthful looking and really full. But as you age, your body naturally decreases the production of collagen. Don't ask me why, I think that's kind of dumb. But that's why we need to kind of like follow up with additional collagens. Okay, so if you look at my neck, it actually has like some visible wrinkles to it, like right here and here. So I just like to use these drops. Even though you're putting on like 30% collagen drops, your body's not going to naturally absorb all 30%, but it's better than nothing. And the last step is to put on lip balm. So this is the one I'm using right now. I mentioned this in my K-Beauty haul a week ago. So this is the Innisfree My Lip Balm. I love this one. Picked it up when I was in Korea and have never looked back. This is the peach one. It smells like peaches. It's so good. Like, oh my god. It smells so good. I can just like eat this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it has like the slightest tint. Oh, tastes so good. I'm not supposed to eat it, but I've been eating it a lot. And then the last step for me to do is just to change out of these clothes and into more comfy clothes. I will be right back. I'm back. So yeah, this is usually what I'm wearing when I'm at home and I'm not filming or I'm not like doing anything with social media. This is what my loungewear looks like. It's just like a loose fitting t-shirt and some kind of sweatpants. This one is like, I don't know, some kind of sweatpants with a stain on it just because I wore it so much. But that concludes the end of my skincare. Ooh.
And
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna take these guys off right now. Ta-da! If you do, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys enjoy these type of videos. I know I mostly do a lot of fashion focused videos, but you know, for those of you who are interested in more like makeup related or beauty related or skincare related videos, I hope you guys find these interesting, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.